Welcome back everyone to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Hades 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now you can type in Hades 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then you can click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can choose your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just fill up your card credentials as well as your billing information. Once all of your information is entered, click on Continue to finalize your payment. And once your payment is completed, the game will be added to your library. Now you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the Hades 2 game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Hades 2 on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.